What is going on? Louis Vandervalk here with Blue Crocus Solutions, and I'm here to chat about what you need as a deck contractor if you're looking for a website. So you need a few things. You need, when customers land on your website, they need to know exactly how to contact you. Do you have a phone number that's readily available for them to click on, on their mobile phone? Can they just click on it and it goes right to their phone? Do they have a contact form that they can fill out, let you know the details of their project? Request a callback, request a free quote, what have you. And do you lay out, lots of pictures on your site? Do you lay out lots of descriptions of what you do? And the descriptions of what you do actually comes back to, basically you want your website to look good, to feel good when people are navigating on it. But you also want Google to pick up what you do. So you want to write original content. You want to write, descriptions of what you do, composite, wood, vinyl. Do you stain them? Do you refinish them? Do you do repair? What have you? What all do you do for services? You got to have that all on there. And the more content you can have masterfully weaved in between the pictures and the general flow and layout of the website, the better chance you're going to have, one, that Google's going to pick it up and show it to people when they're searching in the area for the services that you offer. And two, people are going to jump through. It's going to be easy for them to navigate. You're going to provide value to them in their stay. Maybe you provide some details on, what to look for if you're looking for a deck contractor in, such and such location. So those are just some tips there. Some other tips would be, aside from the website, get your Facebook page up. Make sure you're posting on there regularly. Make sure you're posting on there regularly, and get your Google business listing up as well. Those are Google business listing and Facebook page are some free ways you can get some people reaching out to you, contacting you, finding you online. And then a website, it just takes things up another notch. We've got some, monthly plans. We've got, a 2 or 3 pay plan for websites, but we've worked with several deck contractors, and our main customer base is contractors of all sorts, everyone from concrete to tree service to paving. So we've worked with all the different contractors. I have a background in construction as well. So we're looking to just bring that full circle, help you guys to dominate your online web presence and get out there and sell some more jobs. So if you're looking for someone to build a website, give you some tips on your online presence, give me a call, hop into our website, look at our testimonials, see what we've got going on there. But we'd love to help you out. Love to help you out with, not only website builds, but lead generation. We've got some really unique, you don't pay per lead, you don't pay per month. Options, some plans out there for you guys that we've really been helping, some of our contractors crush out their seasons. So looking forward to hearing from you. Hopefully the tips I provided at the beginning of this video offered you some value. And if you're looking for someone to build your website, you know where to call. Talk soon.